everybody, I'm Artistic Flair and today I'm opening up my new Critcut Explorer Air 2. Okay, let's start it. And we got this one at Joann's Fabric. Got a black. So starting out with the first thing in the box, we got the grid to place down all of our equipment, and then we'll cut it on here. Here we have the instructions to get started with the Critcut. And then now it's time that we pull out the Critcut. I'll show you the Critcut in a moment. Looking inside the box, I have the charger, the cable that connects to the computer,
the pen.
let's bring in the Critcut. There we go, the Critcut. Open it right there. And as that's opening, pen would go in here. This would be the blade, and this would be where you would put your little stylus. Now I'm going to show you the compartments. So here, for your tools, you can put tools here. I don't have any tools right now, but you would put it right there. There's other compartments.
Here you can place your stylus or other equipment.
You got the different dials. So we have for paper, vinyl, iron-on, light cardstock, bonded fabric, and poster board. This is how we activate the Critcut. To move it up and down, to pause it, and the grid would just fit into here when we're using it. But since it's not on, it's not letting me put it in there, so. This would go in there, and then you would put the little fabric up there, and then it would cut it. Okay, we have a let's get started. There are 4 cards. Quick start for the Critcut.
Comes with a manual. I'm going to show you what kind of paper you can use. I got these at Michael's.
There's a transfer tape, and you can use that to transfer things onto your wall, onto cups, onto shirts. It's for whatever you want to transfer your Critcut projects on.
I won't show you how to use the Critcut yet. That will be for a future video, but I will show you these.
These are the iron-on, and this one's true blue. You can use these for shirts and boxes. This one you will need an type of iron to heat it and place it on there. So I'll be using that for a project for a future video.
I also got these from Michael's. It's a permanent glossy and it's premium vinyl. Now you can use these for cups or wall art.
Stay tuned for the next video, which is coming up very soon. Not now, but it should be around here pretty soon, and you guys would join me on my first attempt at using the Critcut. Back with a little update. I know I said I didn't have the items yet, but I do now. This is the basic tool set for the Critcut. Here we have the scissors and the cover. So we're just gonna place that in. A spatula. The weeder. The tweezers. And the scrapper. And of course we'll put this on our machine. So all of our tools will fit just right there perfectly in our little cup holder. I forgot to mention this. This is actually a cartridge. It's for color cartridges. If you have one of those, you can put it into there. I didn't think it was anything until I pressed the lid. And yeah, that's pretty much it to the Critcut.
Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this quick unboxing, please give a thumbs up and share with others if they're interested in getting a Critcut. Consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more of my content. I'm changing up my schedule again. Check out this Friday for a new video explaining that. As always, stay creative. Bye!